Just bought this house, pink lock boxes in memory of my mother who passed from breast cancer. All things pink. So got a new house. I'll probably fix this one up and sell it. Just closed on it. Beautiful yard. If I really wanted to, I could put an ADU, accessory dwelling unit, back here. But what I might do is just renovate it and then sell it. Just thinking about all the years and all the time my brother and I took to get to the levels that we're at now. Oh yeah, baby. Daddy's home. And the only thing I could think is, you know, when we first started out getting all this real estate, it actually wasn't easy because we started out as renters. We had to do a lot of learning how to run a business, how to get sales, right? And just pick up. Now that it's my house, I'm picking up the mail. We had to learn how to do sales, how to be proactive, how to stop being renters, how to save money, and all these things which led us to being able to buy and own real estate and kind of like build our sales career, save the money, invest in properties. The best money that's ever made, from what I'm realizing, is real estate. It is investments and all these things. But it took 15 years, 10 years being in the business. I don't know about this whole culture where everybody is basically trying to do everything in a day or two. But it took us 15 years. Like, we didn't come from making a lot of money, right? We didn't come from somebody teaching us how to invest properly. We were renters. We immigrated to America, right? So, man, just to think we just bought another house is pretty amazing. But it did take time, effort, sacrifice, and energy. However, if you are calculated and you start at the basic level of, number one is save your money. Number two is don't spend it. Number three is then take that savings, start investing, get educated on the industry, real estate, and figure out where the opportunities are, because there are a lot of opportunities and you can become successful. But a lot of people also lost money. Our experience came from being in the business of sales, right? So we were selling real estate for over 10 years before we actually started investing, before we saved money enough to buy personal residences and things like that. So if you're trying to go down this path of making more money or becoming more successful or becoming a real estate investor, you have to first figure out the first part, money management. Then you have to figure out the knowledge of the markets, the knowledge of the real estate. Figure out how do people lose money, how do people make money, and all kinds of things like that. There's always a risk. There's a risk in everything. But I gotta tell you, I love this. This is so much fun. Being able to buy real estate and own all these properties is literally a dream for me. I love it. I worked hard to get to this point, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do here. And there's a lot of opportunities. But if you're just starting out, if I think about back to when I was renting and not knowing what to do or how to make money, it takes learning. It takes being able to educate yourself and grow yourself over time, and then that will lead. It's almost like you're climbing a ladder. So little by little, just be better than you were yesterday. Just be better than you were last year. Buy one condo, buy two, buy three, buy four. Start investing in monies, invest in opportunities. Learn what opportunities look like. And that's pretty much it. And just remember, it does take time. It's never just going to be a 1 minute process or a 1 day process. It takes time. It takes energy. It takes effort. Anything worthwhile, like building a career, you have to stay on track, not quit. So that's my advice. Super excited about this property we bought. This yellow looks beautiful. I might actually keep it.